What's going on, guys? In my last video, we talked about how I started a brand new YouTube channel and showed you that YouTube channel that was making over $200 per week online. Now, a lot of people have been asking me how can they make money on YouTube with different methods because they don't want to talk on camera, they don't want to create their own videos. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on YouTube without having to create any of your own content at all. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this in this video. Now, this is going to be completely free for you to do. You won't need to spend any money doing this. You will not need to record your own videos. You won't need to show your own face. And this is very simple to do because I know that a lot of people don't want to show their face on videos. And more importantly, they don't want to talk either. And that's completely fine. So you won't even have to use your own voice with this particular method that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this in a few simple, easy to follow steps. So make sure you pay attention, but these are very easy to follow along. And make sure you watch all the way to the end because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you another secret little way that you can make money online with YouTube using this specific method. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you don't miss out on this critical information. Now, before we jump into this tutorial, guys, we are still doing the course giveaway. What you got to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, and then once you find that emoji, comment below what that emoji is, and I'm going to announce a winner in the next video. So make sure you do that if you want to win access to every single one of my courses. Now, if you don't know what YouTube is, you've probably been hiding under a rock, but YouTube is a platform where people upload thousands of videos every single day. And there's a lot of money to be made on YouTube. But the big problem is a lot of people don't want to show their face. They don't want to talk. They don't have any idea what type of videos to create. They don't even want to create videos. So that's okay. I'm going to show you how you can actually do this without creating any videos. Now, I know how YouTube works. This is actually a channel that I showed on my last video where I grew a brand new channel from now 0 to 2,000 subscribers. And I think we've done this in around about a month. So I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. So let's jump into this and let's get started with step one. All right, guys, so the first thing we need to do is find a niche and get some content. Now, in this video, I'm going to use dash cams as an example because it's a very good example to use for this tutorial. So if we go through here, you can see that this dash cam footage gets thousands, hundreds of thousands of views every single day. This is a very good niche that we can use, especially to get content for. We don't need to show our face or anything like that. So here's some examples. We have a one here called Dashcam Owners Australia, 361,000 subscribers. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how much money that they're making in a second. And then we also have this one here, Dashcam Lessons. They have a similar amount of subscribers and they get thousands of views every single day. Now, if we take Dashcams Australia, they're getting like millions and millions and millions of views. So how much does a channel like this actually make? Well, I've done the research based on what I know about YouTube and how much people make. So for example, this is from a website called socialblade.com, and I've just put it out here because I was having issues with my browser. So this website estimates that they make around about $700 per month, all the way up to 12,000, and about $145,000 per year. Now, this is notorious for being incorrect quite often. So I've done the numbers for you based off a brand new channel that I started recently. So they get around about 180,000 views some days, 67,000 views, 40,000. So I've done it on an average of 40,000 views. So if they're getting paid around about $4 per 1,000 views, according to RPM, which means they get $4 in the hand per 1,000 views. And this is based off a brand new channel that I've started. And I'm getting around about $4 per 1,000 views in the hand after YouTube takes their cut. If we do 4 times 40, this channel right here, Dashcam Owners Australia, is making around about $160 per day. That's pretty good. I would estimate they make around about $100 all the way up to $200 per day just in ad revenue. That's not including any other monetization methods that they could possibly use. And that's how much they're making on YouTube. So there is money to be made. So you are going to want to pay attention because I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and use videos like these yourself, upload them, and make money yourself with this exact strategy. So this is the first step that you actually need to do. We know that there's money to be made, and you can do this in all type of niches. It doesn't need to be just dash cams or anything like that. You can do like woodworking. There's all sorts of niches. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to YouTube and put in Dashcam. And when you're in Dashcam, you want to go up to the filters and you want to go to Creative Commons. Now this Creative Commons section, videos that are tagged Creative Commons, it means that we can actually use these videos ourselves. So if I go to Creative Commons and it says by making your original video with Creative Commons license, you're granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. Okay, so we have full rights to reuse and edit any video that's marked Creative Commons. So for example, we could go and use this one right here if we wanted to. And we could go and reuse this specific video because it's marked Creative Commons, or ones like this, or ones like this. There's lots of videos that we can use. Now, can you make money with Creative Commons? You can. So you can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content if the license agreement grants you rights to use it commercially. Sometimes rights owners require you to credit the creator. So you can, but you might need to credit the creator. I would recommend crediting the creator anyways, but we'll talk about that later on in this specific video. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go down and we're going to download this video, for example, right here. So I'm going to click on this video. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to go share. I'm going to get this link here. I'm going to go over to this website here called savefrom.net, and I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to click download. And what's going to happen is it's going to give me a link to download this video, and I just click download, and it's going to download this specific video for me. Now, I'm not going to download it right now because I've already actually downloaded this video. Now let's move on to the next steps where you can actually make money from doing this method. All right, so once you've downloaded the video, the next step is to get a video editor. You can use one called OpenShot. It's completely free. Go search on Google and find OpenShot. Now, what I've done in this video is I've just quickly thrown it into here, and you can see how easy it is to actually edit this content. I can just scroll back and forward. I can edit out things. I can add things if I wanted to, but it's very, very simple. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to actually go and edit videos. However, what you want to do is if you're going to use OpenShot to edit the specific video, there's two types of videos. Well, there's actually three types of videos that we can do for this tutorial. Okay. So if you're going to do, so you can re-upload to YouTube, and you can do just a YouTube video and you can have it as long as you like. Or we can do YouTube Shorts, and we'll talk about another method in a second. Now, if you're just going to re-upload this specific video, do some editing. Doesn't really matter how long it is, but do some editing with OpenShot. But there's another way as well. Okay, so OpenShot is very easy. You can go and find tutorials on how to use OpenShot, how to edit, but it's very simple. You just go to the clip, right-click, go to slice, and then you can slice out sections of the video. Click on it, do delete, and then you can drag the video up and stuff like that. Then another way of doing it is to get rid of OpenShot and go to Canva and put in story in here and go to story add. Now, what we can do with story add is we can create things called YouTube Shorts as well, because there's lots of ways you can upload to YouTube. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag, and then all you're going to do is drag the video onto the video that you downloaded onto here. So I've just dragged it on from my folder, and it's loaded up. Now, what I would recommend you do is make the background of this black so it ties in with the video. Yeah, so that's really, really nice. And you want to make it, you want to cut the video as well, so it's long enough for, specific platforms. So we'll just make this 50 seconds, but you want to cut it depending on the platform that you upload it on. But we'll just make this one 50 seconds real quick. I can't remember how long YouTube Shorts are. I think they're about a minute maybe. I'm not too sure. But we'll do 48 seconds, random video here. But you want to obviously find, oh, that's the start. So we'll go like out here somewhere. Okay. So that's the specific video. And then what you got to do is you got to go download. And then you can download this video right here to upload to YouTube as a YouTube short. Now that's all cool. Let's go talk about how you can do this and make some money. Okay, that's the most important part. So the next step is you want to go to YouTube, and you're probably going to have two specific types of videos. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the long version. Okay, because let's just assume we're going to do a long version. If you're going to upload a YouTube short, you would upload the YouTube short version, and then all you got to do is put short at the end of the video in a bracket. But we'll talk about that in a second. So what you want to do is you also want to download a program called TubeBuddy. So it's got a Chrome extension or a Firefox extension. The reason you want to do this is because it tells us what type of keywords to use for the specific video. And you can get a link for this below in the description. Now, I'm going to go back to Dashcam here and just see kind of what type of titles people are doing. Now, our one was Russian, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a title, and I'm going to do Russian dash cam crashes. So that's going to be my specific title. Now the title really depends on what you are going to be, on what you're doing and what you're trying to do. Now, if you want to make it a YouTube short, all you've got to do is put this and then shorts at the end, and it will make it a YouTube short. But we're not going to be doing a YouTube short. If you're uploading a YouTube short, it has to be that specific format that I showed you by using Canva, okay? By using Canva. Now, while I let this upload, let me show you another method that you can actually use for YouTube shorts for the same format. You can actually go to TikTok, and if you see dash cam for car, there's one here called car crash videos. And you can actually use TikTok as well. So you can use the same format of the YouTube shorts, and you can upload it to TikTok, and you could get lots of views on TikTok as well. And you can actually use TikTok to make money. And we'll talk about that in a second. So once you've uploaded the video, you want to put in a description, but more importantly, you want to do the video tags. And this is where, okay, the TubeBuddy comes in. Now, if we go down here, what TubeBuddy's done is it suggested some video tags for us. So what happens is when we put these video tags in, now if you want a full video on how to optimize YouTube videos, I'll leave a link in the description below. But what TubeBuddy does is it recommends specific tags for us. And I can go dash cam, car crash compilation, car crashes. And if you have the full version, what it does is it recommends a bunch more tags that you can use to get views onto your videos, okay? So that's all cool, how to do that. But if you want a full video on how to optimize YouTube videos, in fact, I've got a full video on how to grow YouTube channels, check out the link in the description. So how do you actually make money from this? Now, one way to make money is from YouTube ads, but another way that you can make money is by affiliate marketing. So if we go to somewhere like Amazon and we put in dash cam, for example, okay, we can actually promote these specific dash cams for a commission. It's called Amazon Associates. So we can get a commission for promoting these dash cams. We can simply put a link in the description, an affiliate link, a special link in the description. When people click on that link and purchase that dash cam, we get a commission for that. Another way to do it, a website called kit.co. What we can do on Kit is we can actually create specific kits. So for example, this guy has a kit called dash cams. If we click on this kit, what happens is people can go through and they can actually buy these specific dash cams from Amazon, Walmart and stuff. And these are affiliate links, and this person would get a commission. So what you want to do is go and create your own kit link and then put it in the description here. But you can also go to TikTok and you can put it in the description right here. And you can get paid affiliate marketing commissions. That's why it's a good idea to do YouTube shorts, because you can get two versions of the same video. Essentially, you get the YouTube short, and you can also use the same format for TikTok. And there's also TikTok versions in different languages, so you don't need to just do it in English. All right. So this is a great way to go and make some money on YouTube without actually showing your face. I'm not going to post this video right now, but what you need to do is find videos that are tagged Creative Commons, go and get those videos, edit a long version of those videos and upload a normal YouTube video, and then edit a short version of that for YouTube Shorts in the YouTube short format. And then also use that YouTube short format to go and upload it to TikTok to make money online with TikTok as well via affiliate marketing. If you want some more free videos on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing, I'll leave some videos up on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on one of those videos on the right.